Okay, go ahead.
This is making me dizzy.
You think?
I need to do the spin perfect. That's so perfect. That's not perfect, actually.
What's happening?
Molly and matching Tiana are doing.
Oh, Mama, I can't do that in the picture because it made one of
Come
the
here.
curls fall down.
Come here. You're not in the picture. Who is that?
Tiana. And where did she come from?
Well, who brought her?
Santa.
Santa. What else did Santa bring?
Puzzles.
And no, Santa didn't bring the puzzle. That was for me and Daddy. What did Santa bring? What did you ask him for?
I asked him for makeup.
Makeup. And what else? And what did he bring you that you didn't ask for? Did he bring you a costume?
No, I want to show you some.
Did he bring you a costume?
I want to show you some of the stuff in the picture.
Okay.
This is my mirror and brush, and I like it because they can do really good stuff. They can paint my cheeks dimples, and maybe they can even give me freckles.
Give you freckles? Would you like freckles?
What are